If you're wondering how you can enable or disable the auto restart feature on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. Now, under the Device Care settings, just tap on Auto Optimization. Now, at the bottom of this page, you will find the section of Auto Restart. Just tap on it. Now, to enable Auto Restart, you have two options. You can either enable Restart when needed, and if you enable this toggle, your tablet will automatically restart when it detects performance issues. And also, you can schedule a restart timing. Now from here you can select the days of the week when you want your tablet to automatically restart, and also you can set the time from here. And by doing that you will enable auto restart on your tablet. Now if you want to disable auto restart, just disable both of these toggles. And after you disable both of these options, you will disable the auto restart feature on your tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on or turn off auto restart on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.